Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to level up fast in Monopoly Go. Leveling up quickly in Monopoly Go requires strategic gameplay and efficient use of game mechanics. Here's what you're going to do. Prioritize acquiring properties to complete color sets early for bonus rewards. Invest in multiplier stickers to increase the coins earned from each dice roll. Complete daily goals to earn extra rewards and experience points or XP. Engage in special events or promotion that offer bonus XP for specific actions. Activate boosters wisely to accelerate your progress during gameplay sessions. Strategize your moves to maximize coin collection and property acquisition. Minimize visits to jail by strategizing dice rolls or use cards or stickers that prevent it. Focus on acquiring properties with higher rent values to increase income. Engage in trades to acquire needed properties or stickers that boost your gameplay efficiency. Use cards or stickers that offer advantages such as extra dice roll or property upgrades. Invest coins in upgrading properties to increase rents and earnings. Collaborate with other players to trade beneficial properties or stickers. Aim to complete full property sets to unlock set bonuses and accelerate leveling. Join tournaments or competitive gameplay modes that offer increased XP rewards. Reach specific milestones within the game that offer XP rewards for achievements. Use stickers or cards that manipulate dice roll to land on high reward spaces. Utilize all available game features including minigames and daily spins for additional XP. Keep track of XP progress to adjust gameplay strategies for maximum efficiency. Stay updated on game updates and new features that may offer XP boosts. And participate in active communities to gain XP bonuses from group activities. And that's how to level up fast in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!